Okay. Controller B connect with the rear motor. Okay, collar to collar, and this one collar to collar, and the controller A connect with the front motor. Collar to collar, collar to collar. Okay, so this one first connect with the key. The key connect. Okay, this one, the key, yes, this one, follow this switch. Okay, the key, 插上 key, connect with the power, 插上电源。 Okay, so I show you the key and connect with the display. This one and this one, the display. 2 orange and the black one. 插上 Okay, the display. So I'll show you. So go. Okay. And this one connect with the brake lights. Brake lights. The brake lights. 插上 Okay, this one connect with the phone controller. And this one connect with the phone controller. So this one top drive. Follow the switch. So you can see green and blue, the top drive. So the top drive, dual, single, and this one equal, black and green equal. So I show you. Okay, connect with the phone motor power. 插上 Okay, so I show you. Dual. Okay. Okay. Equal. Turbo. And this one connect with the brake sensor. So follow this lines. This one, the brake sensor line. 插上 Okay, I break the red one. Use brake. Okay, and the brake lights connect with the brake lights. So the brake lights and the brake sensor. This one and this one, the power line connect with the switch. The switch. This one, the right signal, left signal, and this one, the power line, 插上 Also, this one, the power line, connect with the many red lights. Just this one, okay, 插上 Okay, so anything connect. Okay.